Hello there, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you how to crochet easy to make cord that could be perfect to create jewelry with seed beads. This is cute spiral cord. It looks very interesting and simple in the same time. You don't need to have a special skills. Grab the yarn, beads and a crochet hook and you will get such amazing cord. The edge of this cord could be decorated with beads or just put tools for the jewelry. In this case you should leave a long piece of yarn. And let's get started. For this cord I'm going to use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook, a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams, seed beads that I threaded before the work onto the working yarn. Then you can choose your favorite color. I would like to use white color of yarn. Such kind of cord could be perfect to create accessories such as bracelet, necklace, choker or belt, or it could be part of big project. Let's begin. Let's crochet the cord. This cord can be perfect for beginners, so let's crochet the cord. I remove my seed beads, yarn over the hook, make a chain. I did a chain. If you are going to make jewelry or some accessories, using this cord you should leave long piece of yarn and put clips or another tools for jewelry that could be bought in any store or internet store. In my case, I just put 3 round beads. Also, you can use different shapes of beads. And now I draw beads. So I continue working on my cord. I take my long piece of yarn and put it on the front side. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch. Draw a seed bead and make a chain with seed bead. You don't need to pull the chain. Insert the hook into the chain with seed bead and make a chain with seed bead. Insert the hook into the previous chain stitch. Draw a seed bead and make a chain with seed bead. So I'm making in this way as many times as I need. Insert the hook into the previous chain stitch with seed bead and make a chain with seed bead. As you can see, this is very easy to make. It is going to be a little bit spiral. Insert the hook into the previous chain stitch, make single crochet with insert the hook into the previous chain stitch, make chain with seed bead. Insert the hook into the previous chain stitch, make chain with seed bead. It is a little bit spiral. So you should repeat as many times as you need. And my cord is ready. Here how it looks. My cord is stretchy. You can use such kind of cord to create bracelet, necklace or choker. Also, it could be perfect for decoration of big project. And I remind you, the edge of this cord could be decorated with another kind of beads or just put tools to create bracelet or necklace. Well, let's look from the another side. My beautiful cord consists of two kinds of beads. It is very elastic and stylish. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more with my step-by-step video tutorials. Good luck in crocheting. See you in the next video and bye!